ABC News.
And Demetra, you're here for specials and offers. That's very important. We'll get to you in a moment. But let's first talk about safety. What safety issues could we have if we're not properly maintaining our furnace?
Well, the majority of homes in the Dallas area are heated by gas furnaces, and that requires an open flame. Now that creates a safety issue right there.
Okay.
It needs to burn properly. We don't want anything to catch fire because of that flame or overheat, so there are safety issues involved that need to be checked out.
Okay.
And further, there's a danger of buildup of carbon monoxide.
Right, we've heard that before.
In our homes, and that can be a real problem because as a human, our human senses do not detect that.
Yeah.
We don't smell it, we don't see it, but it can create health problems. And in extreme cases, it could even be fatal. So those are two very large safety issues we need to deal with.
Yeah, those safety issues alone are motivation to anyone to start thinking about their furnace. But let's talk about efficiency. We all know just how important saving money on our energy bills are.
Well, just like in our cars, in our furnaces, we're burning fuel.
Yep.
And so we want that to burn efficiently. We don't want to burn more than we need to. We want to extract all the energy out of that fuel that we can. So we need to make sure the furnace is working properly, but also we need to make sure the heat is being moved into our living space, which involves the blower motor, the fans, and those need to be running properly and efficiently, and that translates into saving money.
Okay, how can we prepare for the upcoming fall season and get that tune-up?
Well, we recommend our 26-point fall seasonal check and safety analysis, which involves checking for efficiently operating gas components, make sure all the safety features are working properly in our furnaces, make sure we're moving the air. We check the indoor air quality, which includes changing filters or cleaning them, whatever the case may be, and we check for any levels of carbon monoxide in the living area.
Okay, so it's efficiency, it's safety, and it's also saving money at the same time. Okay, so what if someone has a furnace that just needs to be replaced altogether? I bet there's a lot of people who are hanging out with an older unit.
Sometimes that's the case, and you need more than just a repair. If you need a new furnace or a complete air conditioning system, we at Elston Air recommend the Ruud systems, and they have a wide variety of products with different price ranges. Give us a call. We'll give you an analysis, offer you some pricing, financing, whatever you need to meet your needs.
Well, that's where Demetra comes in right now, too. You have specials going on, so let's talk about what we can do. There's one of them right there, the tune-up and safety analysis.
All right, we have a 26-point tune-up and safety analysis right now for $49 each system, which also includes this carbon monoxide sensor, and it's going to alert you to any carbon monoxide activity that may be going on in the home.
Oh, that's great.
And now, if it's determined that more is needed than just a tune-up, then we also have plans in place that can save you upward of $1,200 on a new Ruud system.
Okay.
But not only as a business owner, but also as a consumer, there are a few things that I like about Ruud, and one is that they're actually rated #1 in Consumer Reports for reliability. That, coupled with their 100-year history, are important factors when it comes to the safety and comfort of my family.
Okay, and for all of us too. Guys, thanks so much for getting our furnace in tune before we need it really bad and that ice storm comes in or something, and safety too. We like that. Okay, if you want more information, here's the number, 469-643-4087 for Elston Air, or you can log on to RuudNorthTexas.com. All right, you may be thinking they're essentials, but are they just luxury?